Hello, hello, and welcome to Thursday, November 2nd, New York Times Sudoku hard puzzle. So we're going to begin with our ones, and that's all we got. And then we go to two. You know what I should do is I should play music during these. I have to admit I'm not usually a music while working kind of person, but it might be kind of fun, you know? All right. Nothing in the twos, so we're moving to threes. Boop, boop. Okay, I think that's all I got for threes. Let's go to fours. Four, 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 four. Okay. That's all we got for four. We don't have any fours. Let's move on to fives. Gorgeous. Ooh, between this one and this one, we have an actual five. Love it. I was starting to get worried that we wouldn't have any actual things. And between this one and this one, we have another actual five. Yes. Zwink. Okay. And this, between this one and this one. So if the fives are here in this column, this cannot be five. We have another actual five. Yay! Okay, that's it for right now. Sixes. Ooh, check it out. Between these two, we got a six, which makes this a five. Which makes, we'll just go in and fill that in. Beautiful. All right, let's continue with our sixes. Because of that one, we have this. Okay. Okay. That's all we got for sixes. Sevens. Because of these two. Sevens. Because of these two. This one is giving these seven vibes. Gorgeous. All right, let's move on to eights. Because of these. Because of these two, we have this. We have zinc, zinc. Zinc. Okay, and then 9. So with that one, and then between that column and this column, it's going to give us this. Okay, that's it for right now. So I'm going to go back really quickly and see if we have any additional ones. Nope, any additional, oops, twos. No. Any additional threes? Nope. Any additional, ooh, we do have an additional 4 between this one and this one. We have that. Which, and between this row, and this row, we also have this. Beautiful. Any other 4s? Not seeing it. 5s we got, we're feeling good about. 6s we got, we're feeling good about. All right, I'm not expecting anything for 7s, 8s, or 9s. So, okay, let's take a look at this column. 1, 2, 3 cannot go here. 3 cannot go here, so 3 has to go here. Putting our 6 there, between this one and this one, it gives us this. Beautiful. Love it when that happens. 1, 2, 3. Let's see for anything else that might be fun. Okay, now let's take a look at these three squares. So we know that here we have to have a 1, which means between this column and this guy, we've got a 1. We also know that we have to have a 2, which means 2 can't be in this column. So 2 is either here or here, but we know 2 cannot be here, so we've got a 2 here, which is gorgeous because then between this 2 and this 2, we have a 2 go there. Beautiful. And then 3 and then a 4. 4, 4, which means 4 can't be in this column. We know 4 can't be in this column and with this guy, so this goes 4, 4. Nice. Okay. And then one thing you'll notice is that for the square down here, we have 1, 4 can go here and 1, 4 can go here. So 3 can't go here because if 3 goes here, then that just leaves one space for both a 1 and a 4, and that can't happen. So 3 cannot go here, which means this is the only space left for 3. Here's our 8, and then the only one left that's not a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a 6 is a 7, 8 or 9. So this can't be 7, or 7 goes here, or 9 goes here. So the one left here is going to be our 3, which means 3 cannot go there. Beautiful. Okay, so that also means this can't be 7. Which means we have a 7, 7, 7 between, 7 between these two. It also means up here between these two we have a 7 and 7, which is exclusive. So then for this row, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have a 7 and an 8. So this has got to be our 9. So between this 9 and this 9, we have this. So this is where our 9 is in this row. This row has 9, so that goes there. And it also means that with this row and this row, so our 9 goes here. So here we have a 9, 2, 9, 2. So again, 2 squares, 2 numbers. 9 and 2 can't go anywhere else except for these 2 squares, so this cannot be 3, which means 3 has got to go here. The only other place for 5 to go is here, and the only other place for 4 to go is here. So 5 can't go here. 5 goes here, and that kicks our 5s. Really quickly, let's do our 4s. Between this one and this one and this one, we're going to have a beautiful 4 here. Okay, we have 9 here. Or let's actually take a look at it this way. Let's take a look at this column. We know 9 can't be here because 9's in this row. We know 9 can't be here because of this. So that leaves, down here for our 9s. We also know, let's take a look at this row. This cannot be a 9. We know that these can't be 9s because 9 is going to be down here. So these aren't 9s. This isn't a 9. So the only thing that can be a 9 for this row is this one. So 9 goes here and 6 goes here. Beautiful. 6. And between this 6 and this 6, we have 6, 6. And between this column of 6s, so 6s can't go there. We have those 6. We have this 6, which just leaves that one. So between this 6 and this 6, boom, there we go. Which means, looking at this row, the only place for a 1 to go, so 1 cannot go here because of this. These can only be a 6 or 9, so they can't be 1s. So the only place for a 1 to go for that column, that row, is here. So that's going to be our 1. So this is not a 1, and this is not a 1. Excellent. And the only thing left in this row is a 2, because we've got 1, our 2 is going to go here, and then we already have our 3, 4, 5, our 6s, 7, 8, and then our 9s. So that means this cannot be our 2. This is our 2. Between this one and this one, we have 2 and 2. Which also means, again, looking at this column, this can't be 2, this can't be 2, so 2 has to go somewhere there. Okay, we've had a lot going on. What are we missing? Let's fill in some fun things, shall we? Let's fill in this square. So we know we've got the 1s can go down there, which we haven't filled in yet, so that's awesome. 2, the only other thing that can go down here is a 3. So because of this, we would have 3, 3. Now let's take a look. 3 is over here. So this can't be 3, that can't be 3, and this can't be 3. So here goes our 3, which means this one cannot be 3, which means 3 has to go here. The only place for 1 to go is here, and the only place for 4 to go is here. Let's take a look at 1s. 1, so this is our 1. The only place for 9 is here. And then the odd person out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so this is not our 8. And just for clarity, 1, 1, so down here we have, oh, actually between this one and this one and this one, makes this a 1. The only other place for a 4 to go is right there. Okay. And that means that this is our 4 and this is our 2. Excellent. And that means this is not a 2. So this is our 2. Na-na. And let's see, where else should we go? Let's take a look at this row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so the extra one here is 8s. Beautiful. All right, speaking of 8s, between this 8, and this 8, means that that square is 8. Only place for a 6 to go is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can't go there, so we're going to put a 4 here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 goes here, which means 9 can't go there. We're going to put our 9 there. And in this row, last person standing is going to be an 8, which means not going there. 8 goes there. 7. Here's our 8. So 8 goes here, 7 goes here. 7's not going here, so 7 is going here. Really quickly, we're going to switch gears. Check out this 4. 4 is up here, 1's down here, which means between this one and this one, this has to be our 1. Only other place for 2 to go is here, which means our 2 goes here, our 9 goes here. 9, 6. And then the last one is a 6. Boom, 13 minutes and 48 seconds. Thank you so much for joining.